Hi there. Are you looking for a new way to make money online? Then you've come to the right place. Today, I'll show you how to make money with affiliate marketing and how much you can earn from it. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing technique where a business rewards an affiliate for each new customer or sale generated by their marketing efforts. How it works: as an affiliate, your job is to promote a company's products or services and earn a commission for each sale you generate. You can do this by creating a website, writing blog posts, creating videos, or using social media. When a customer clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. How much you can earn? The amount you can earn from affiliate marketing varies greatly, depending on the product or service you're promoting, the commission rate offered by the company, and your marketing efforts. Some affiliates earn a few $100s a month, while others earn tens of thousands of dollars per month. The key to success is to find the right products to promote and to put in the effort to drive traffic to your affiliate links. Tips for success. 1. Choose the right products to promote. 2. Create valuable content. 3. Build a strong following on social media. 4. Offer bonuses to customers who purchase through your affiliate link. 5. Test different marketing strategies to find what works best for you. Know your audience. To be successful in affiliate marketing, it's important to understand your target audience. Who are they, what do they need or want, and what motivates them to make a purchase? Knowing your audience will help you choose the right products to promote and create content that resonates with them. Choose the right affiliate programs. Not all affiliate programs are created equal. Make sure to choose affiliate programs that offer high commission rates, have a good reputation, and offer products or services that are relevant to your audience. Use multiple marketing channels. To reach the largest audience possible, use a variety of marketing channels. In addition to a website or blog, consider using social media, email marketing, and video marketing to promote your affiliate links. Build trust with your audience. Building trust with your audience is key to success in affiliate marketing. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships and only promote products or services that you believe in. Provide value to your audience and they will be more likely to trust your recommendations. Monitor your results. Keep track of your results and adjust your strategies as needed. Use analytics tools to measure the success of your marketing efforts and see what works best. Stay up to date. Stay informed on the latest trends and changes in the affiliate marketing industry. Read industry blogs, attend conferences, and connect with other affiliates to stay ahead of the curve. Be persistent. Success in affiliate marketing takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Stay focused, work hard, and be persistent, and you will eventually see success. Make use of influencer marketing. Influencer marketing involves partnering with influential people in your niche to promote your affiliate products. Influencer marketing can be a powerful way to reach a large audience and drive sales. Use customer reviews. Customer reviews can be a powerful tool to help you sell more products. Encourage your customers to leave reviews on your website, social media, or on the product page itself. This will help build trust and credibility with your audience. Offer exclusive deals and discounts. People are more likely to make a purchase if they feel like they're getting a good deal. Offer exclusive deals and discounts to customers who purchase through your affiliate link to incentivize them to buy. Use social proof. Social proof is the idea that people are more likely to do something if they see others doing it. Use social proof to your advantage by showcasing testimonials, social media posts, and customer reviews to show the value of the products you're promoting. Build a brand. Building a brand is important in any business, and affiliate marketing is no exception. Create a recognizable brand that people trust and identify with. This will help you stand out in a crowded market and attract more customers. Keep learning. The affiliate marketing industry is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay informed and continue learning. Attend webinars, read industry blogs, and take courses to stay ahead of the curve. Be patient. Success in affiliate marketing takes time and effort. Don't expect overnight success. Be patient, stay focused, and continue working hard, and you will eventually see the results you want. Diversify your portfolio. Diversifying your portfolio by promoting a variety of products and services from different companies can help reduce your risk and increase your earnings potential. Don't rely too heavily on one product or company, as this could leave you vulnerable if the company changes their policies or stops offering the product. Collaborate with other affiliates. Collaborating with other affiliates can help you reach a larger audience and increase your sales. You can work together to cross-promote each other's products, share ideas and best practices, and support each other in your endeavors. Focus on building relationships. Building relationships with your audience and with the companies you work with is key to success in affiliate marketing. By creating strong, positive relationships, you will be able to get better deals, receive more support, and ultimately make more money. Use visuals. People are more likely to engage with visual content than with text-based content. Use high-quality images, videos, and infographics to promote your affiliate products and engage with your audience. Optimize for search engines. Optimizing your website and content for search engines can help increase your visibility and drive more traffic to your site. Use keywords, meta descriptions, and other SEO best practices to improve your search engine ranking and reach more potential customers. Don't neglect your website. Your website is the foundation of your affiliate marketing business. Make sure to keep your website up to date, user-friendly, and optimized for conversions. Regularly update your content, test your site's functionality, and address any technical issues to keep your site running smoothly. Set achievable goals. Setting achievable goals can help you stay focused and motivated as you build your affiliate marketing business. Make a plan, set realistic targets, and track your progress to see what's working and what's not. In conclusion, by following these tips and continuing to learn and grow, you can build a successful and profitable affiliate marketing business. Stay focused, stay motivated, and don't give up, and you will eventually see the results you want. Thanks for watching this video on affiliate marketing and how you can earn money with it. If you found the information useful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more great content. And before you go, make sure to check out the description box below for even more valuable information and resources. I'll be sure to include links and additional tips that you won't want to miss. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.